Friends, let's say you wanted to make an image of Hulk Hogan ripping his shirt off in Rome with a puffin on his head, all the while a killer clown is stalking him. And let's say that you wanted to set this to music and overlay a cool glass texture to give it an even edgier vibe. Unfortunately, you've never been to Rome. Hulk Hogan is busy. You are deathly afraid of clowns. Your puffin just died. Your musician friends are all playing a gig downtown. And the glass you can find is just the clear, not so edgy kind. What would you do? This exact situation just happened to me while I was making an image in Affinity Photo. Let me tell you what I did. But first, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. You can click either one or both. I really would appreciate it. Okay, there's a ton of free content out there. I'll go through a couple of my favorites. I'll start with unsplash.com. I typed in Rome in the search panel, then scrolled down until I found this nice photo by Claudio Hirschberger. You can see at the bottom here that this image is free to use under the unsplash.com license. So I downloaded it. Next, I went to openverse.org and searched for Hulk Hogan. I found this little gem. If you scroll down, you can see that this image is marked as being in the public domain. They do ask that you credit the creator. So I'll copy the text and put it in my YouTube description. When I click to get the image, openverse.org sends me to flickr.com. This is the original source. I'll download this image from here. To get the picture of the little puffin, I went to pexels.com. Pexels has a lot of photos and videos that are free to use. If you go to their license section, you'll see that all images from pexels.com are free to use. Thanks, Chris S. Next, for the music, I went to pixabay.com. Pixabay is awesome. They have pictures, music, vector art, sound effects and more. But you need to be a little careful. Some of the music is free to use if downloaded from the website. But it will show up as copyrighted material in YouTube. If you see this little note that says Content ID registered, it will probably be flagged by YouTube. You can use this music. Just make sure to download the certificate they provide in case YouTube makes a fuss about it. You can send the license information to YouTube and they'll clear you of copyright infringement. I found the cool textured glass at texturelabs.org. They have all kinds of great textures you can use for free. Now, for that creepy killer clown, I went back to openverse.com for that one. You can set a filter to give you only images that you can use commercially and to modify or adapt. This one worked great. They did ask that I credit the creator, so I copied the text at the bottom and put it in my YouTube description. Last but not least, I thought I would mention YouTube itself. If you go into your YouTube studio and look on the left side, you can see a whole bunch of music you can use for free. This one, African Fella, is the theme song for my channel. I love it. Well, that's it for this edition. I hope you found it useful. If you like today's content, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. Have a great day.